What I've done is I've hooked all the wires up. I've got 127 feet and 150 feet. So that's 277? Yeah, 277 of 10-3 wire. And what I'm going to do to make sure all the wire is good all the way to the pump, and I got the pump hooked up, but I haven't done the shrink wrap yet. So what I need to do is I get the startup is red, yellow, and I get a 7.5 to a 9.2 reading on my ohm meter. And that's at 200 setting. So also, when I do the black and yellow, I need at least a 2.1 reading. Now that's on a 1.5 horsepower pump motor. And that's what this is. It's a Red Lion 1.5 horsepower motor. All right, let's see. Now let's take a look at this. When I was looking at the YouTube before, this wasn't a very good reading. I couldn't see it. It was blurry. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to get to the 200 right there. So I'm going to take the meter and go to 200. So there we are. See, it shows a 1. Now, I'm going to put the red and the yellow together, and I should get between 7.5 and 9.2. So let's see if I can do this. So we got 9.1. And I keep, here we go. This is the way we got to do it. 9.1. So that's good. Now, let's do the black and the yellow. And we should get 2.1 at least. All right, black, yellow. Well, it's not that easy to do when trying to film and grab these things together. There it is. So we got a 4.6, 2.9. Hold on. .6. I was supposed to get at least a 2.1. So that's a good pump. And the wires are good.